Now the Calvin cycle is an anabolic pathway, and it's undergone through three phases. All right, so the first phase is called carbon fixation. Now, carbon fixation is catalyzed through something called rubisco. Now, what rubisco does is it takes CO2 from the atmosphere, which you can see from this line. CO2 is taken from outside, but into this process. So it takes CO2 and converts it to a 5-carbon sugar called, we heard this word already, but it's a 5-carbon sugar called ribulose bisphosphate. Now, the resulting 6-carbon molecule is like unstable, so it splits into two. Now, when it splits into two, it splits into two molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate. Now, phase 2 is reduction. Each of these molecules receives a phosphate from ATP, and then it's then reduced by NADPH, and after which it loses a phosphate to become glyceride 3-phosphate. Some of these G3P is the output of the Calvin cycle, we can see here, but that's not going to be the case for us. So from here, we go straight back into the process to produce more RUBP and starts the cycle over. Now, this regeneration is in phase 3. All right, so that's basically the Calvin cycle in, a quick bundle. But I know I'm bad at explaining it, but that's, to the best of my ability. Now, to summarize it, photosynthesis occurs in two phases. 2 stages, 2 phases. Now, in light reactions, light and water go in, and oxygen comes out with ATP and NADPH. We saw that here. Now, in the second part, in the Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide comes in with NADPH and the ATP from the first part, right? And out comes sugars. So basically, these are the two processes that make up the photosynthesis that we know to be so important. Thank you guys for tuning in, and have a good Friday.